Hello, boys and girls. I am very, very happy for you today, but I'm also very sad because today is our last official day of NTI work and packet work. So, this is technically your last day of schoolwork. If you're not finished with everything, that's okay. You have a little while to finish it. You have about all next week to finish your packet work if you're not finished, and then turn it in on the 18th. I hope to see all of you all. If you're getting an award, we'll announce who gets which award next week on the 13th. Miss Coleman, Miss Barker, and I are getting together to film the certificates for you all and see and announce who won what award, and we're going to hand out those awards when you come to get your things on the 18th. So if you all can come with your parents to pick up things, I encourage you all to do so that we can say hi to you, and we're going to be handing out popcorn and having signs and saying hi, and I'm going to miss you all so much, but I know that I will see you when school starts back. And maybe this summer we will see, okay? I'm going to be reading for our reading log today. I'm going to be reading a book that I usually read at the end of the year called Yay You. It says Moving Up and Moving On. Yay you. You did it. You're done. You made it. You're through. Oh, what a great moment. And you should be proud of yourself, boys and girls. You made it through second grade. Now what will you do? There are so many choices. The world is immense. Take a good look around and decide what makes sense. So what are you going to do with your time off? Some like to go fast. Some like to go slow. Some like to get going however they go. Some strive to be peaceful and joyful and wise. Some choose to just ponder the size of their thighs. So look north and look south. Look ahead, look behind. Stare into the mirror. Now, what do you find? Should you live where it's cold? Should you live where it's hot? Do you want to be terribly busy or not? Do you need lots of friends or only a few? Would you like to have friends with a new point of view? Is your mind moved by science, or does art move your soul? Do you listen to rivers or to great rock and roll? Do you long for adventure? Do you love to read maps? Would you rather stay home with your chocolate, perhaps? You already have wit, you already have style. You have a very kind eyes and a dazzling smile. But now, but now, but now, but now. Hey, what's the hurry anyhow? There are places to get to and projects to do, people to talk with, and lunches to chew. But stopping a while is okay too. And whatever you do, now or later, big or small, loud or quiet, whatever you do, don't worry, just try it. Whatever you do, whether near or so far, I know you'll be great. You already are. I like that book, boys and girls, because it lets you really see that everybody is different and everybody prefers to do things differently, and just because you do things differently doesn't mean you won't be great and succeed at whatever you do. So I want to say thank you to those of you that worked so hard during the time that we were in school and during this NTI time. I wish that we could have spent the rest of the school year together. I hate that we didn't get a chance to spend more time together and I didn't get a chance to teach you more. I really will miss you all. I have loved having you. Your personalities are so great. Every single one of you is special and different, and I really have enjoyed getting to know you. And I can't wait to see you all when you come pick up your awards. If you can't come with your parents, that's okay. I'll still send it home with them. Miss Coleman and Miss Barker and I will all be there on the 18th. So if you come, you'll get to see all of us. And even if you're not in my homeroom, I'll still get to say hi to you, okay? Thank you again for working so much. I am so sad that this is how our school year is ending, but it will be okay. We will have, you all will do wonderful in third grade. You can do it. You can do anything if you work hard and stick with it. Okay. I tell you guys all the time that I believe in you wholeheartedly. I'm your biggest cheerleader. I always will be. And if you all want to come say hi this afternoon at our last Zoom meeting, please do. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye, boys and girls.